shit just got serious, bro. Pablo the Banana featuring Little Ray Official. Let me go real quick. Yo, I'm chillin' with my motherfucking homie Pablo. He has big ears and he has little toes and he has a black thing on the top of his head. I don't know what that shit is. Maybe it's red, but it's black. But he has a red sack. Orange and yellow everywhere, yeah. Big Mike is chilling over there in the back. Isaac Balls is right here and he has a...
Yeah, look at Lil Ray with his hat. He's always fitted in his motherfucking sack. He's wearing skinny bands in his socks. No, look at Big Mike. He has rocks in his dick. Yeah, he's sitting his dick. He is, look at him. Look at him. Look at him. His legs are split.
Yo, that was Pablo, he's a fucking boss. Chillin' with my fucking homies in the fucking Ross store. We're not chillin', but we're shopping and shit. Pablo the Banana, he's really nutritious.
I'm nutritious, yeah. That's what all the bitches say. You don't look at me cause I am very gay. Yeah. Stop laughing, bitch. I'll fuck you in the nose and I'll put you on your bitch. Yeah.
And it's not just a trigger. Look at me rapping, I'm a motherfucking Tigger.
No, look at you rapping. You are pretty gay. Shut the fuck up, bitch. Yeah, I wear a red hat on my head for a reason. I'll fuck your mom in the peasant. Yo.
In the fucking peasant. Look at Pablo the Banana, don't know what he's saying.
I don't know what I'm saying. That's the truth. I have a black dick on my front of my tooth. Yeah. My teeth are white. I fucked up right there, but you don't wanna fight.
You don't wanna fight. Pablo the Banana, he's totally harmless and he likes to banana dance.
I'm harmless. That's the truth. Big Mike's a fat ass with that retarded fruit.
Yeah, here comes the cousin Bell Pepper.
Good.